So last month, Ulefone unveiled the Ulefone Armor 25T Pro, a 5G rugged phone that features both a night vision camera and a thermal imaging camera. Now, Ulefone is preparing to launch the successor of the Armor 25T Pro, and it's called the Armor 27T Pro. Now, this device, just like the Armor 25T Pro, features both a night vision and a thermal imaging camera. And according to the details, the night vision camera is 64 MP and it employs Night Elf Ultra 3.0 algorithm, which allows the Armor 27T Pro to be able to capture bright and sharp shots in low light conditions. And the thermal imaging camera is powered by FLIR, and according to Ulefone, it features MSX technology and VVDIR, allowing users to be able to detect heat signatures of up to 450 degrees Celsius and see through darkness, glare, smog, and dense smoke that's coming from Ulefone. Now, the main camera of this device is 50 MP and its front-facing camera is 32 MP. So other specs of the Armor 27T Pro includes a 10,600 mAh battery, and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 30 watts wireless charging. The phone also features a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. It is powered by the Dimensity 6300, the same processor that powers the Ulefone Armor 25T Pro. It has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. It boots the Android 14. It is rated IP68 and IP69K, and it is military grade standard 810H certified. So other features includes a custom key. It has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner embedded on its power button. It has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is impressive. It supports IR Blaster, which means you can use this device as a universal remote, and it supports NFC. And the device is going to be available in a single black color and cost around $350 according to the details. So feel free to share your thoughts about the Armor 27T Pro in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.